What you are hearing is the sound of the forest of our Mother Earth. The calm, tranquil feeling that we get is not a coincidence. We all evolve in such ecosystems where the sounds of birds and insects indicates the possibility of food, medicines, the resources we need for survival. Ecosystems and their biodiversity still hold the key to life on its planet. I'm obsessed with this biodiversity, the magic of different connections where every species depends on each other. We know we need to reduce our carbon emissions and draw the existing carbon out of the atmosphere. Stop the damage and start the repair. And this is where forests can help. Like all plants, trees capture carbon from the atmosphere and use it for their growth. Our Earth is home to over 3 trillion trees, almost half of what existed before human civilization. Outside of urban and agricultural areas, there is 0.9 billion hectares where the trees would naturally exist. And this is home to over 3 trillion new trees. To some, it seems restoration is the single solution to climate change. When viewed through this lens, restoration just seems like an easy way out, a chance for us to offset our emissions by planting a few trees and ignore the very real and urgent challenges of cutting emission and protecting the ecosystems that we currently have. This is also the sound of trees. It's an eucalyptus plantation that exists just a couple of miles away from where we began. Notice how there were no sounds of birds and insects. The song of biodiversity was gone. That's because what you are hearing is not an ecosystem. It's a monoculture of one single tree species planted for rapid tree growth. Along with the biodiversity that used to live here, this local community has now lost the benefits those ecosystems provided. And monocultures are just one of the many ways we can damage our ecosystem. And this ecosystem is much bigger than just planting trees. Trees are just the symbol for entire ecosystem restoration. Restoration can help us with all other global threats, including extreme weather events, droughts, food shortages, and global pandemics. But global restoration won't be easy. This challenge is one which can only be addressed by us, by all of us. We need the immense network of limitless connections. The farmers, the project leaders, the scientists, governments, NGOs, businesses, you, me, we are all needed to protect our Mother Earth. We need the whole ecology of humanity. Thank you.